So today is a very special day. Pupunta ako ngayon ng airport kasi darating yung ate ko. Pero hindi alam nila mama at papa. Isu-surprise namin sila!
When I close my eyes and see the place I wanna be, it's got you right next to me, and you're in my arms. I can feel your skin on mine. I inhale and take my time, 'cause this is where I wanna be. Doing nothing with me. Never believed in stories.
What are you gonna say? Surprise din ang Gwen!
All inside weighing the worries, like I can take any hits. I don't ever dream of love. Since I met you, you got me turned upside down. 'Cause it feels so right when you do nothing with me. Do nothing with me. We love to get lost in us. There's no need to decide. It feels so right to do nothing with me.
Yan na, tagal naman. Yan. Tagal, ang late.